love is all good. And to see you make it taste good. Shawty classy with a freaky side. Real woman keep us up. Down bad I can call her. Ooh yeah. Sex so good might get a Birkin. She deserve it.
Hey Queens, it's your girl Queen Cierra, and I am back at it again with another freaking video. So my last video for Rebl Scents did really good. So I've been doing really good in school. So you know, I'm like, girl, you need to treat yourself. So I got another thing, and it just came last night. So I'm super excited. I wanted to wait for you guys. Like, I opened it, but I looked in it and I just put it back. I didn't open no perfume or nothing. So this is gonna be my raw reaction. I got 3 perfumes. This is like a blind buy. Basically, I was watching perfume videos and stuff, but you know, they tell you the notes, they tell you what it kind of smell like, but everybody body chemistry, it took me a minute to think of that. Everybody body chemistry is different. Everybody nose is different. What smells good to you might smell bad to me. What smells good to me might smell bad to you. Like that Gucci Guilty. Like, I watched all of them videos. I was like, oh my god, the Gucci Guilty is so good. I got it, didn't like it. But it smelled, but I guess my mom, and it smells good on her, but it don't smell good on me. So, I don't know. So we got another Rebl Scents video. Let me cover up my address. So this is what it comes in, because last time I didn't get to show you guys. This time I was patient for you guys. And this is what it comes in this black box. My address is down here, so this is what it comes in. It says Rebl Scents. And we're gonna do an unboxing. So I'm gonna open it. I don't want to have anything else that I want to say before I open this box. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Queen Cierra _slay. Don't forget to follow my business page at Queen Cierra Boutique. And don't forget to go to my website www.queencierraboutique.com and go shop and look like a queen on a budget. And sign up for my newsletter so you know when I'm having my next sale. This is what the box looks like. I gotta cover my address. I'm trying to like look at the monitor to make sure I'm showing you guys right. Yeah, so we're gonna open it and yeah, let me read that. It says Rebl Scents, ready for sensual overload. It says at Rebl Scents, it says Rebl Scents, and it just has like some information on the front. It says a real deal, brand new 100% authentic fragrances, personalized, a new and personalized way to shop your favorite fragrances, affordable up to 60% off fragrances you love. So cute. The packaging is so cute. So when you open that, it just has the card. It's a card that says Rebl Scents, right? And it just has a little message on the back. Hey babe, thank you for being the best part of Rebl. We hope you enjoy your new scents as much as we do. Connect with us and share your love at Rebl Scents on Instagram. XOXO Rebl. So it just has this cute little message on the back. And then this paper, I guess, is my invoice. But I'm just going to show you. It has pink packing. Look, it has these packing peanuts. These pink packing peanuts. I cannot talk today. I feel like every time I film a video, I can't speak English. So the first thing I'm going to grab is... Oh my god, this is so cute. It's Jimmy Choo. It's Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo. I've been dying to try this fragrance. I'm sorry, I cannot speak English today. So look, it's like this little tiger print, snake print type of box. So cute. So everything is like nice and packed up. this little plastic, and like I literally waited for you guys. Like I should have got a pair of scissors. Whatever. Like I waited. I was so anxious on this video. Okay. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is so cute. Oh my god. So I got a, how many ounces is this? It's a 60 millimeter, so 2 fluid ounces. So this is what it looks like. And we're gonna, I don't have nothing to spray with. I should have got, oh my god, this feels so luxurious. Like it got so much weight to it. I'm just gonna spray it on the box itself. So this is the original Jimmy Choo by Jimmy Choo, okay? So I'm gonna tell you what I smell, what I think it smells like, and on either sides of me is gonna be, you know, the top, the heart, the base notes. All right, so I had to pull up the information because I'm like, how much was this? So I gotta tell you all the facts. So it's not giving me the price, the price comparison when the item is sold out. So I'll put how much is the 2 ounce here on the screen. But yeah, so Rebl is a warm sweet gourmand. I'm getting this a little bit of the warm, but I'm mainly getting like a sweet floral. Not a sweet floral. I'm getting a little sweetness. I'm getting a little bit of floral and a little bit of fruity. But this smells real good. And it has a mandarin orange and pear and toffee as a base note. I'm getting a little bit of the toffee and some of that pear, but I'm not getting none of that orange. But it's very sweet. It's a very sweet and fruity scent, and you definitely smell the pear. Really good. And I was kind of afraid that it would stink. But it smells like a really upscale sweet scent. And I haven't smelled this before. So next perfume up on my, I don't know which one I want to do first. Okay, we're going to do this one. Ooh, this is little. This is Burberry. Burberry Her. This is not, I think this is the, oh, and they're both, this doesn't say if it's a toilette or a perfume, a eau de perfume or a perfume, but eau de perfume, yeah, eau de perfume. This is just the eau de perfume. This is also a eau de perfume. This is a 1 ounce, and this is, I don't think this is a eau de, this is not the intense one. I think this is like the original. The original price plus the price I pay will be up on the screen when something is sold out on Rebl, since you can't even see the price, the comparison price. So I'm sorry I can't say it, but it'll be up on the screen for sure. And hopefully it'll be in stock by the time you go shop. So yeah, this is the packaging. And then here's the bottle. Oh, it's so little. You know, the famous Burberry. Oh, I should do with this hand because this hand is the missing out on it. So just a clear, nice bottle. Let's see what it smells like. smells good. This is so different. I always, like in my other perfume video, I love to smell sweet. Like I love to smell very sweet, very warm, very delicious. So this is on like the opposite side of me. The opposite side of me, because this is a very fruity scent, like a grown woman fruity scent. It's very clean, but not too clean. Like it's not minimal, but it's not doing too much. Like she's the perfect marry. And if you want to transition into fruity scents or stuff, and she's a very fruity scent, but it's clean. I like it. It's a fruity gourmand. I was made in Spain, and it is, yes, it's dry amber, and it's musk in the base notes. There's lavender, there's jasmine, there's raspberry, and blueberry. I smell the fruit. And there's that musky undertone, and I am feeling it. And this amber, I never smelled amber before, but baby girl, it smells good, okay? Like, just go get you some. And you don't, if you want to smell it before you buy, just go into Macy's, out to Sephora, you know, the little perfume kiosk, get the sample, ask for a sample, spray it, and it could smell good in a bottle, but you have to make sure it matches with your chemistry, your body chemistry. But baby girl, this smells so good. I can't get enough. Like I can't. Like I thought I was gonna be obsessed with Jimmy Choo. Like I like that perfume. I like it, but I didn't spray this on my body yet. And oh, this is gonna be the scent. This is gonna replace my my current perfume. Yep. I can't put it down. I can't. This smells so delicious. So delicious. I've been wanting to try one of his perfumes for a while. The Moschino Toy 2 perfume. So let me show you the box. It's an Ouze perfume. It's a 1.7 fluid ounces. Okay. Oh my god, this thing is huge. Look. Oh my god. Yo, I'm gonna put this is gonna be on my vanity. Okay, when I put my perfume in. Yo, this is not going in the box ever. So the original price for this Moschino perfume is only $76. That is really not bad for a 1.77 fluid ounce. And you know the bottle is adorable. So it's not that bad for a perfume. But on Rebl, listen to this. You can get it for $39.95. That is, girl, baby girl. Baby girl. So it's described as a fresh floral. You know, I'm just trying to step out my comfort zones. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we got the sweet gourmand, we got the fruity gourmand. Now we got the fresh and floral. Okay. Ooh, this is heavy. Like this is like weighty. Yeah, this head big. So we're gonna use again the box because I don't got nothing else to spray with. Clean, a very clean, airy, and light perfume. I don't feel like this will wear good on the skin. I mean, I could be wrong, but I feel like this will be. You have to make sure you spray your whole body, like your clothes, your pressure points. Where I spray for my perfume is, someone asked in the comments below. I spray my wrist. Let me put the box down. I spray my wrist, behind my ear, like right here behind my ear. I spray, depends on if I'm wearing a short sleeve or not. I will spray, what is this called? I don't know. Not the elbow, the inside. I don't know, whatever this body part is called, I spray this. And if I'm wearing a dress or a skirt, I spray behind my knees. And depending on the fragrance, I will spray my clothes and my hair. So this one I will definitely spray everywhere. Because it depends on the perfume. The perfume doesn't really last on your skin. Spray your clothes and spray your hair, and then it will make it last. Apple, jasmine, amberwood. Yeah, that's what it's smelling. There's a very musky undertone with floral notes on top of it, and it smells really. It smells really good. I really do like it. Yeah, all the notes will be here. Get to like, comment, and subscribe. I think that's it. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video.